Yes, William. So you'll always remember me. Love you, man.
Thanks.
For life. For life, man. For life. You know, Master C gave me a talk when I got so depressed about yung kiss. He said, you know, if you leave, sabi niya, you can use it as a good story. And you know what? This is the test. You can use it as a good story. My God, I was proby so many times. Then look where I am now. Ba? Just keep your head up, man.
Yeah.
It's part of everything. It's a better glory story, you know? The injury plus the glory. We'll just have to eat it out. Eat. I already saw our food.
Kasi Hansen ba? Dahil sa kanya, alam mo yun, muntik na akong bumigay. Tapos si Hansen, nandyan siya.
Alam ko yung feeling niya. Ayoko nang ganyan. Ayoko nakakita siyang ganyan eh. Pero kailangan talaga ni Miguel to eh.
Oo, opinion mo yun, Chris. Naintindihan niya yun eh. Sinabi ko sa kanya na, in-explain ko sa kanya na mabuti yung sabi ko.
Sinabi mo na pinag-usapan natin, hati tayo na po. Hindi namin sasadya. Si Larnie kasi nasa kamay ni Larnie yung desisyon nun eh.
Hindi, tsaka sinabi namin na siya kasi naisip niya na kung si Miguel yung iboboto niya, masisave si Hansen. Or, kasi siya kasi kay Miguel na natulungan siya in something
Hindi,
tsaka
hindi.
dun sa four times na siya na
Hindi sa tutulungan ako.
Hindi ko alam. I mean, she wants to say
No.
Miguel kasi kawawa naman si Miguel
No.
too. 4 times, diba?
Iba yung sinasabi ng isip na reason. Huwag mo na yan kasi hindi natin alam. Okay?
That's why I said, don't, just muna, you just need to, diba? Just get over it, diba?
Sana maayos to.
It will be. I'm actually okay.
Oo.
I'm okay. Diba?
Naintindihan kita kasi ako nga, hindi ko nga in-expect din yun.
In-expect ko konti. Bro!
Si Chris, ako hindi.
Ha?
Hindi ko in-expect. Si ano yung... si
Ay,
Lizel pa.
Alam ko talaga.
Mas si Lizel pa yung in-expect ko.
Na she would vote for somebody else.
Oo.
Oo.
Kasi parang
Oh, well,
naawa siya
alam mo, ganun talaga.
Hindi kasi parang naawa siya kay Miguel. Siyempre, ako din naawa ko kay Miguel. Tapos, si Chris parang hindi ko in-expect.
Oo.
Kasi, yun nga, you know. Pero,
Teka, kasapin
may
niya.
reason talaga yan na
Halika.
huwag ka munang
I won't.
kawawa naman yung isa.
Ano, bro? Ha?
Hindi mo daw siya pinapansin.
Bro, it's hard. Diba? Kasi, diba, nag-iisip ako, diba, kung basta, you know, I mean, I don't have any, ganun talaga, diba? Ganun talaga. It's just hard, diba, when you,
Actually, na-understand ko yun si Chris.
Oo,
Bakit
ako
siya
din.
ganun? Kasi si Miguel nagtulong sa kanya.
oh,
Sa
totoo.
this week.
Oo,
Hindi
naging-
mga performance.
Oo.
Kaya,
I
alam ko-
know, it's just hard, bro.
I know. Alam ko.
Alam mo, you didn't want to taste even the bottom 4.
Alam ko,
And
alam
now,
ko.
from thing to bottom 2.
alam ko.
Mahirap.
Alam ko yung ano. Ilagay na lang natin, bottom 2. Alam ko mahirap. Alam mo kasi. Alam ko
Lalo pa pag
anong gusto
dream mo
ano.
talaga, di
Alam
ba?
ko.
And you know
And I
that,
know-
and I really know I'm behind everybody. You know, I mean like, now you proved yourself, di ba? Di ba? You got to prove yourself. Ako, I wanna still prove myself na.
Hindi. Nagkataon lang, bro. Actually, yun nga, maganda lahat ng hindi. Actually sa akin yung mentality ko. Kahit hindi ako top 3, wala na sa akin yung importante makita ng judges na nag-improve. Yun yung kailangan.
Yan din ang gusto ko. Nagets mo? Parang, paano mahirap yun kung, you were, di ba, at one point, let's say, they said the weakest, but now you've proven yourself. Gusto ko din mag-prove Pero, diba? Gusto ko din mag-prove.
Alam mo bro, yun nga, yung gawin niya. Alam ko na magtata-3-3 talaga.
Ha?
Alam ko na.
Na?
Na magtatay.
Sino?
Kayong dalawa
Ah,
yun, alam ko na. Kasi, tinausap ko sa press. And sinabi ko kanya, I know it would really have a big difference kung, kung iboboto mo sa Miguel.
Oo.
Kasi alam ko, 3-3 talaga.
Oo.
Yun nga, nag-isip din siya.
But it hurts din. Kasi di ba, parang, di ba? It hurts din. But you know,
sabi
alam
ko
mo,
sa kanya, yun nga,
it hurts
mahirap.
It hurts din because,
Pero
di ba,
let's give Miguel the credit. Kasi,
I give him the credit. For sure.
kasi, ganito, pag last time na pag Kobe pa siya, he should be out. Wala na.
Kung what?
Kung last na niya to, pang 5th, pag nagano wala na.
Oo. Pero what if,
Pero ganun niya.
but what if for me also, everybody's expecting, everybody's gonna vote for you. You don't know that. Di natin alam yun.
Ganito yan. Pag,
Nagets mo yan? Yan ang punto ko. Na parang,
Ganito yan.
you don't know if the people think, well, we can assume, di ba? Magustuhan yung tao sa akin. Think lang, di ba? Kung magte-think sila ganon, kundi wala, what if they really don't, di ba? You never know. No, you never know that. But, di ba, you never know that. Even with you never, we have, like you said, we have the people screaming there. Paano yan pag sa labas? What if they look at it otherwise?
ganito isipin mo. For example, ikaw na save next week. Kung ikaw na save, it means to say na kailangan may prove sarili mo. So, kailangan,
Oo. Paglalaban ako talaga.
kailangan mo talagang na-save nila ako. Ganun mentality mo palagi. Na-save ako. So, kailangan ko give talaga yung best ko. Bahala na.
Oo.
Kasi bro, sobra. Yung time
But
na to.
bro, you understand me? It's
Oo,
mahirap.
naiintindihan
to.
kita. Kasi alam ko yung
To be here at the
anong gusto
bottom
natin.
too. Alam
Anong
mo
gusto
yan.
natin.
And it could have been, di ba? It could have been another scenario. You know that. Mahirap yun. Kasi, di ba, for me, she could have, di ba, for me based on, just because of what we've been through and stuff. Kung opposite yung situation, I would have You get mo? That's what I'm just saying. Like, despite whatever, you know what I mean? Ganun lang. But, okay naman din.
Actually, wag mo masyadong pag alam ko mahirap. Alam ko mahirap.
Oh, what's up?
You okay?
Yeah.
I thought, okay.
Just, I don't, it's not, just
I know.
let's, you know what I mean? I don't want to make it bigger. It's not a big deal. I'm just,
Yeah, I know.
It's-
And I told her that. She's a
It's
girl.
totally cool,
She's
yeah.
planning.
Yeah.
She's planning.
It's totally cool.
And I told her, sabi ko, you know what? Think of it this way. My counselor told me that, I should never make decisions or talk to anyone when I'm having strong
Exactly.
feelings of anything.
that's why